Imagine waking up to a pillow full of your hair every morning.
No one can deny that hair fall really hurts. Hi, welcome back. I am Shreya and I am here to tell you how you can tackle that hair fall in an all-natural and in an organic way. I even used to face that problem before. But look at my hair now. They are strong, shiny and no hair fall. All thanks to the simple DIY hair masks that I am going to share with you. When I first realized that I was losing hair, I was so embarrassed, and every time I showered or combed, I could see big clumps of hair everywhere, and I did just not know how to react there because I started feeling much older than my age, and along with my hair, even my confidence was going down. So, I'm going to share a special DIY hair mask that helped me regain my strong, beautiful, and long hairs back. So, let's jump into it. So, I'm going to start with banana hair mask because personally, this is what that has worked wonders for me. It is very simple to make, and the best part is that it uses common household ingredients. So, this is what you'll need.
You will need 2 ripe bananas, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon coconut oil and 1 tablespoon olive oil. And here's how you make. Peel the bananas and put them in a bowl. Mash them up with the fork. Add the oils to the bowl and mix. It should now form a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Keep it on for 30 minutes and wash off with cold water.
This works perfectly as bananas are rich in antioxidants, natural oils, vitamins and potassium, which makes a perfect treatment for hair fall.
Additionally, bananas are cheap and available all around the year.
Coconut oil and olive oil moisturizes your hair and scalp and prevents breakage. Honey strengthens hair follicles and prevents dandruff. Yes, coconut oil and curry leaves makes more than just a tasty curry. It helps you to prevent hair fall. Here's what you'll need.
To make this mask, add coconut oil to a pan and heat it on the stove. Then add the curry leaves and wait till they pop. Apply the warm oil to your scalp and hair. You can keep it on for 20 minutes and then rinse off with mild shampoo. You should use this mask twice a week for best result. This works because curry leaves contains beta-carotene and proteins. Coconut oil on the other hand contains fatty acids which are perfect to prevent hair loss.
Fenugreek Seeds works as miracle since ages for everyone.
For this mask, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, also known as methi dana. Soak into water overnight at least for 10 to 12 hours. After 12 hours, strain the seeds and put the water aside. Put the soaked fenugreek seeds in a blender or mixer. Grind them into thick paste. Take 2 tablespoons of fenugreek paste and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd into it. Mix it well. Comb your hair. Apply hair mask on scalp. And if your hair is dry, then add little coconut oil into it for better results. Fenugreek seeds offer many great hair benefits. It's a natural solution for dandruff. It's effective for fighting hair loss, straightening your hair and nourishing your hair roots. Yogurt is rich in protein and so it hydrates your scalp, eliminates dandruff and makes your hair strong. Wait for 30 to 45 minutes, then wash it off with shampoo. This is an all-natural hairspray refresher that promotes and increases hair growth and strength and reduces hair loss. To make this rinse, I am going to make fresh aloe vera juice by simply extracting the aloe vera from the plant and then blending it into blender until a watery mixture. Aloe vera acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itchiness on scalp, reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. Next, I'm gonna take Fenugreek Seeds juice which we left aside before. Mix them both. Now, I'm gonna take some of the mixture and put it into the spray bottle and use this to spray my hair, and the remaining I'm gonna refrigerate. For each of the part, I'm just gonna spray the mixture into my hair and gently massage it into my hair and my scalp. Fenugreek seeds, they do have a strong maple syrup like smell. It may linger your hands and your hair. You can leave the spray in your hair or you can rinse it off if you are not fond of smell like maple syrup all day. But do make sure you leave it on your hair for at least a couple of hours before you rinse it off.
So there you have my top DIY hair masks for hair fall. Regardless of what hair texture or hair type you have, these masks are guaranteed to work for you. But they cannot do all the work on their own. To help them out, you need to have a balanced diet that is rich in proteins. So you need to include more amount of proteins in your diet to have stronger hairs. Avoid stress. Stress is one of the leading factors of hair fall. If you are in a stressful environment or situation, take a break. Listen to music or do something you love. Also, you need to be careful during your wash time. So, all the tips related to that are stated in my previous video. You can check the link in the description below. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.